Good afternoon, everyone. It feels different, don't you agree? Connecting with everyone in this online world. It's the new normal now. Welcome all of you to this valedictory function, first of many I must infer to be held online. This initiative undertaken by Dr. Priya Matthew, Principal of St. Joseph's College of Education, is indeed laudable. I heartily welcome Most Reverend Dr. K.A. William, Bishop of Mysore, to this curtain fall of this 1 week long workshop. Welcome Reverend Father Vijay Kumar, Secretary of the MDES, whose patronage has been responsible for this event. Mrs. Joyce Lobo, CEO, whose unrelentless effort is evident in all our ventures. Welcome, ma'am. I can't see you. Most importantly, but not the least, I welcome our host, Mr. M.K. Nasiruddin, for patiently guiding us through. I'm sure at times he must have felt that we are stupid. Please bear with us. We are not this year's millennials. We're still trying to catch up. We're way behind. We're in the bygone ages. Our kids have been teaching us. Thank you, sir, for everything. You've opened up a new avenue for us. I'm sure all of us, I can't say that we've learned everything in this short span of time, but definitely we'd have to explore on our own. But you've opened up a whole host of avenues, and I'm sure we're all going to catch up. Not immediately, but definitely in the near future. And welcome all of you, fellow learners. I hope this has been an enriching experience. Thank you once again, and welcome to this last session. Over to you, Ms. Shalom.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now we'll move to the valedictory address by Bishop.
Everybody, I'm happy to reach out to you through the social media as you're winding up your 5 days program of online workshop on smart learning and teaching, organized by St. Joseph's College of Education, Jayalakshpuram, Mysore, in this Golden Jubilee year. The Mysore Diocese Education Society always strives for better programs to equip the staff so that the teaching community, the fraternity will always do something better and more beautiful to the students. In the background of COVID-19, this setup of reaching the students online is a must. In today's context, we are able to reach out the students through the social media in a better way, as there is progress and development in this area of social network. I'm sure you all will use the knowledge that you have gained these 5 days, and you will make use of all that is being taught and introduced with, so that our institutions under Mysore Diocese Education Society and you, my dear staff, will do the best to the students. Well, I take this opportunity to thank the resource person, Mr. Nasir Ali, the Assistant Professor of Aligarh Muslim University Center, Malappuram, Kerala, and also the main organizers, Father Vijay Kumar, the Secretary of MDES, Mrs. Joyce Lobo, the CEO, Professor Priya Matthew, the Principal of B.Ed College, Professor Asha Patros, the Associate Professor of B.Ed College, and all the ones who are part and parcel of the organizing team. Also thanks to the staff who participated, gained knowledge to handle the situation of reaching out to students in teaching the academics, especially in our institutions through social media. All the best. God bless you. Take care.
Thank you, Bishop. Now we'll have the report of the 1 week program by Shalom ma'am.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Good afternoon, one and all. I'm here to present a brief report on the 1 week online workshop on smart teaching and learning for teachers from 12th to 18th May 2020, organized by St. Joseph's College of Education, Mysuru, under the IQAC of the institution for the teachers working under Mysore Diocesan Educational Society, MDES, Mysuru, to support teachers to meet the challenges of present scenario. The workshop was inaugurated on 12th May 2020 at 2 p.m. by Reverend Father Vijay Kumar, Secretary and Correspondent, MDES. The welcome address was delivered by Dr. Priya Matthew, Principal, St. Joseph's College of Education, Mysuru, and convener of this program. Mr. Nazir Ali, MK, Assistant Professor, Author, and Trainer in Educational Technology, Aligarh Muslim University Center, Manappuram, Kerala, served as the resource person of the workshop. Mrs. Joyce Lobo, CEO of St. Joseph's and St. Matthias Institutions, and the coordinator of the workshop, proposed the vote of thanks. Mrs. Asha P. Patros, IQAC coordinator of the institution, led the session. The workshop was organized for 7 days, that is, from 12th to 18th May 2020, from 2 to 4 p.m. 252 participants working under MDES joined the workshop. It provided new hands-on experience for the participants every day on the latest technological tools and applications for enhancing smart teaching and learning. The workshop spanned over various themes based on which the classes were conducted. Day 1, 12th May 2020, Google Documents, Google Sheets, and online assignments. Day 2, 13th May, Google Slides and Forms. Day 3, 14th May, Google Classrooms. Day 4, 15th May, creation of blogs and web publishing. Day 5, 16th May, video editor applications for virtual classrooms and online tests. Day 6, 17th May, Google Drive, revision sessions, and clarifying our queries. Today, day 7, the last day of our workshop, we are ready to take up online tests, and we are in the valedictory session. As the organizers, we are sure that the pertinency of the workshop was fruitful for all enthusiastic participants from its vibrant resource person. Hope we all continue the same spirits in being technologically equipped and remain empowered through lifelong learning. Wish you good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. You are very energetic.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move to principal's remark. And
good afternoon, everyone. We are officially completing the week-long online workshop. It has been a richly rewarding week of learning the aspects of smart teaching and learning. I know this has been a difficult time for all, and the transition to working or learning from home is also a tedious one. I am fairly certain that this is everyone's first experience with a true pandemic, and I am so impressed how our teachers responded positively to this course. Going from a 100% in-person model to a remote or online environment model is a daunting task. I am confident that we will find success, and this 1 week of workshop has given us a stronger knowledge base and has also deepened our understanding of application. It has indeed been a stimulating, thought-provoking experience. It is normal to feel apprehensive at such moments, but remember, Firstly, it is time to get used to it. Secondly, you are not alone. So let us work together as a family, venture out of our comfort zones and try something new we have learned this week towards achieving the goal of effective and innovative teaching and learning. Before I end, once again, I take pride in extending my thanks to the management, especially His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. K. William, Bishop of Mysore Diocese, and Reverend Father Vijay Kumar, Secretary and Correspondent, MDES, for giving us this opportunity. Also, many thanks to the resource person, Mr. Nasir Ali, MK, Assistant Professor, Aligarh Muslim University Center, Kerala, for empowering us to be ready to take on our new roles in the future as smart teachers. I appreciate the initiative taken by Mrs. Joyce Lobo, CEO, St. Joseph's and St. Matthias Institutions, Mrs. Asha P. Patros, Assistant Professor and IQAC Coordinator of St. Joseph's College of Education, and all my dear colleagues for hosting this workshop in a meticulous way. I wish everyone the best as we kickstart a new beginning. God bless you all. Stay healthy and stay safe.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Now we will have participants' feedback. If you are ready to, if someone needs to share your experiences here, both positives and negatives, you can come forward, you can raise your hand and speak. Meanwhile, I'll give to Mary Shirley.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. So, educating the mind without educating the heart is no educating at all by Aristotle. A very good afternoon to all. This is Shirley here, working in St. Matthias Institution, and I wholeheartedly thank Mr. Nasir Ali MK, Professor, taking us to the new world of technology during this time of pandemic COVID-19. During this atrocious time, it's very important to have the virtual classes, sir, and I'm very happy to attend these classes. So it was really curious to know about the virtual classes, and the experiences was worth. It indeed was great and informative. So the new apps that you thought like Google Docs or Google Classrooms or Slides or Blogger or KineMaster, all these apps made me Snoopy to sit in front of the system for a longer period of time. It was really informative, and I was waiting for your class to sit in front of the system. I hope even others. After every class, the videos that you send was like a summary, and it helped me to clear all my doubts. Whenever I used to do my assignments, I used to turn back your videos and cross-check, and I used to clarify everything. So thank you for those summary videos. The assignments given made me more active, self-disciplined, self-motivated, and I was very sincere in submitting all the 4 assignments to be truth. And a great proverb says, practice makes man perfect. And I'm very sure that we have learned whatever you have taught us. I'm not promising you that we have learned everything, but we have learned few and left few. But as days goes, in the upcoming days, surely we will implement all your apps in our day-to-day routine and become the best teachers of MDES. So thank you, sir. You really motivated us and inspired us through your class. Thank you very much, sir. Special thanks goes to His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. K. William, Bishop of Mysuru, and Secretary and Correspondent Reverend Father Vijay Kumar for giving us this platform to become smart teachers by these online classes. And special thanks goes to Asha ma'am for giving me this opportunity to express my views. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, sir. I had a nice and a wonderful class with you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Jennifer.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you can hear me.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. First of all, it was a great honor to be a part of this special training program. It was a useful course for learning how to blend and develop learning and teaching experiences to be more interactive with the help of multi-technologies. This training has introduced us, especially to me, to various tools that are very useful for my training and my teaching. I can explore using them to make my teaching more interactive. The new ways of teaching using different platforms allow me to discover and explore how to use tools such as Google Drive, Blogger, and videos to become more independent learner. I thank Mr. Nasir Ali sir for giving us the informative online training. I thank our management for organizing the wonderful platform where we can upgrade ourselves and adopt new technologies for the new generation. And last but not the least, I'll not take much time. I would like to thank Asha ma'am for giving me this opportunity so that I can put my words across. Definitely, I agree with Shirley that it's not that we have learned everything. We are in a process of learning. So a few things, yes, I really appreciated the first 3 days me. Then here and there, off and on, it was going above my head. But anyways, the videos which you have shared or the links which you have shared, definitely we are going to practice. And we'll make sure that we'll adopt the new technologies for the new generation. Sir, thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Caroline Sebastian. Ma'am, you can speak. Shalom, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I just wanted to say that we enjoyed throughout, thoroughly we enjoyed, because right from operating Zoom, it was very difficult, sir. Day one, like getting into Zoom was a headache. Then we got into it, we were very comfortable as the days went on. And for me, Google Slides and Forms were much similar to what we were doing in Microsoft Word. So that is pretty easy. But blog was like very difficult. But when I started actually exploring it slowly day by day, I thought that I came to know that it's a wider platform ever. So for that, I should really thank you to giving us, for taking us to such a big stage. And for me, the most interesting part was the editing softwares. Like I went mad from 3 days. I'm doing so many things, and I went mad. But I didn't want to give up, sir. Like whole of day and night, I was very curious, and I kept on doing it. And for me, whenever I fail in technological movements, whenever I have doubt, I usually stop because I don't have anybody, or I can't search YouTube or spend so much of time on it. But now, when I was doing many things, when I was with all those permutation and combination, I was so excited, and I had this backup support, sir. You were my backup support. I was not much worried because I knew whenever I can go and ask sir, he'll give me the solution. So likewise, you've made us very comfortable, and you are patient enough in solving everything for us, telling us everything for us. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And I hope there are no others wishing to share their experiences. Okay, some more are coming.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everybody. So it was a very exciting session, learning about technology and how to go forward with it in teaching our students and improving ourselves with the technology. So the most important aspect of life is learning. So even when we are teaching our students, we know that we are learning, and our learning process never ends. And this is a platform created by our institution, and we are very grateful for that. And we're also grateful for you, sir, for spending your valuable time and valuable informations in such a way that we could all understand. As ma'am said, um, not everybody are millennials, and most of them are lacking behind. Most of us are lacking behind technology, even though we knew these documents before, but we never knew this can be used so widely and so tactically. So now we know that, and thank you so much for that, sir, and thank you for all the organizers who organized this session. It was very informative and it was very helpful. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. And what should I say? I do not know. I haven't planned anything. And we haven't been discussing something very great here. We were discussing something very basic, and I hope at least almost all the participants have got a courage, confidence, and an interest to use the technology, at least to test. And I hope at least those who have submitted the assignments on time would definitely be motivated to use the technology further. And I know that you need the time for practicing. We haven't got much time for practicing, and when you get the time and when you do and imply it, definitely you will be having some queries or something. If you have such queries or something, you please feel free to contact me, and I would be happy if you contact me through WhatsApp rather than phone calls. So and if I fail to give you the reply, don't worry, maybe I might have seen that when I'm busy, and I might have forgotten to reply you. So you just remind me with the same message again. So definitely I'll be replying you if I can help you out. And this was a very good platform for me also to learn many things. And at sometimes I was going like a bit faster. So especially in the module when we discussed about Zoom, about blogging, I went very fast. And when I came to know about the feedback, or from when the coordinators conveyed me that I was totally disappointed. And it was not because that I have an apprehension that I'm a good teacher, so all my participants would be benefiting out of this session. No, but I have a wish that at least my participants who are actively participating in my sessions should have a confidence and should have got something. Okay, and in that session, many people couldn't get. And maybe it was because I never was in a haste to stop the session. What happened now, when I did not find responses from you, I thought you were getting everything. That's why I just kept move on. And anyhow, we just managed it by having one more session for clarifying your queries and all. And in that session, we have discussed much about the part which we missed. And even if you feel any difficulty while you practice these things, you please tell me through the coordinators to have one more session. Okay, I'm not hesitated to come online like this. We can meet again. That is another great advantage if you are doing like a session, repeated sessions. Okay, we can join again. We can like continue our relationship. We can be a single fraternity of enthusiastic and smart teachers. I thank the secretary and the bishop, the principal, Priya ma'am, Asha ma'am, Shalom ma'am, everyone. And I would be missing like these platforms. In fact, from the day one of the lockdown due to this COVID pandemic, I have been here on my chair here in front of the computer. And I had some days where I was spending about 5 to 6 hours per day. You cannot imagine that. The same group, and that too only 35 people were, 32 people were there in the first batch. And 4 of my B.Ed teachers were there, and one professor was there, a small group. But I got amazed to see the, especially the lady teachers, and who are having lots of works at home, were waiting for me in the morning till 12 o'clock. Then they were going, and they were saying that some of them were telling that we are taking Maggie or instant foods nowadays this week for lunch, and after the lunch they were coming back. And in fact, I could reach you to Mysore St. Joseph College of Education. Through this college, I could reach you because of that program. Actually, I got very enthusiastic teachers and professors, though very few in number there. They just gave publicity, motivated others to contact me by asking one more session. Then we just planned one more session, and again 25 people were there the next week. And from the next week onwards, I'm just I don't know where I have reached now. And I'm not saying boosting myself, but I admire that when I reach to the distant places and to more people, that makes me more responsible. And you cannot see a person named me, like a person in me, like who is having some ego, or the person who is not, who is moving from this personality to some other personality. Even if I reach somewhere, and I hope you will be praying for me, and I wish you to pray for my mother. Actually, she is in Jipmer, Pondicherry, undertaking the treatment for her breast cancer. Now these days there are no treatments going on, but still they are staying back there, awaiting the lockdown will be over, and her treatment will be continued. And I don't know, I'm becoming emotional by when I mention her. Last day I had one valedictory in Jabalpur, like an international conference was there. And before that itself, people came to know about this through some teachers, and they were contacting me, they were praying for her. I just communicated this to my mom, in fact, day before yesterday, that mom, you are having people praying for you in different places of our country, and definitely you will be recovering very soon, like that. And she's so happy for you all, and she's so happy that I'm engaged here. Otherwise I would be thinking of her by being alone here without her. So thank you very much for inviting me for this program, for asking your queries, for submitting your assignments, for learning together. And some of your queries has really enriched me too, and it has given me an opportunity to think twice and find some resolution for that. Thank you very much, and over to you, Asha ma'am.
So finally, we have reached the last part of our valedictory function. Gratitude is the attitude that takes you to great altitude. It is the most powerful emotions. At this juncture, I would like to acknowledge the people who stood with us during the week-long sessions. First and foremost, I would like to thank Almighty God who kept us safe during this pandemic and helped us to learn through digital platform. I'd like to express my sincere gratitude to His Excellency, Most Reverend Dr. K. William, Bishop of Mysuru, and the President of MDES, who, despite his busy schedule, found time to deliver valedictory address virtually. Thank you, my Lord. I'm indebted to Reverend Father Vijay Kumar, Secretary and Correspondent, MDES, who is a source of motivation, guiding light in all our endeavors, and inspired us to organize this week-long workshop, especially for the teachers of MDES. Thank you, Reverend Father. The success of this workshop owes much to the expertise, talents, Innovation of our resource person, Mr. Nasir Ali, Assistant Professor, Aligarh Muslim University, Malappuram, Kerala Center. The journey initially looked like an off-beaten track, but with the efficient guidance and patient approach of the well-informed resource person, we realized that if you are willing to take initiative, travel by the less traveled path, we will reap the fruit. We'll also pray for your mother, sir. Let her recover fast. I'm extremely grateful to Mrs. Joyce Lobo, CEO of St. Joseph's and St. Matthias institutions, who with great enthusiasm accepted our proposal and coordinated with the heads of various sister institutions. Thank you, ma'am. A note of thanks to all the heads of our sister institutions. Program of this sort will not happen overnight. Ball started rolling long back, and our St. Joseph faculty, along with the principal, did not leave any stone unturned. I'm extremely delighted by the meticulous planning and efficient leadership of Dr. Priya Matthew, the principal, St. Joseph College of Education. Thank you very much, ma'am. I thank my colleagues for their huge support. Last but not least, I thank all the participants for bearing with us during the technical snacks, and the success owed equally to the wholehearted participation of the teaching fraternity. Wish you the very best for your test, and soon you will receive your e-certificates. Thank you for being part of this valedictory program. Once again, I wish all of you a very best.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I would request the participants not to leave this meeting, and please turn on your cameras now.